Hey, Jennifer Krosch, your local Sioux Falls realtor. I'm going to show you a one bed, one bath today that is 1,067 square foot, one level living with a off-street parking pad and street parking as well. Just going to show you what $185,000 near downtown Sioux Falls will buy you. Just to take in of the beautiful street. Again, living in the downtown area, you're going to have mature trees and a lot of detail in these homes. So this is a one bed, one bath townhome end unit, 1,067 square foot. It does have an HOA of $175 per month, which takes care of the lawn, the snow removal, and the maintenance out on the road. As we come into the front entrance, we're greeted by a foyer that has a coat closet, and then we also have the mechanical room where your furnace. So there is the coat closet. Again, love that orange color on the wall. The doors have been replaced and the trim has been updated. Again, we've got the mechanical room. Water here is a couple of years old, and the Lennox furnace is not too far behind it as well. It looks like it's been very well maintained. Your electrical and your access into the attic. Once we get past that front foyer, we've got to the right, we can go into the kitchen and then a little breakfast nook space, and then we can go into the living room. Let's take a look here at this. We've got this beautiful front nook, lots of windows, sunlight for an early start in your morning. We've got kitchen cabinets. I love this barn door on the track. This is where the laundry is housed. Okay, so you've got in-unit washer and dryer. And we've got the kitchen. As you can see, the unit does have some dating in the lighting, some of the cabinetry. It'd be really easy to update that. The windows have been updated. And got an electric cooktop with a separate single oven, space for a microwave. Then we transition into the living and dining room area. Good sized living room, dining. Let's go out and take a look at this back space. So as I said, this unit does come with off-street parking. It does not have a garage. It does have a parking space. And being that the snow removal and the lawn care are taken care of, you would not have to worry about storing snow blower or shovels. There is a private drive that'll bring you back behind all of the units. This is in a fourplex. The two center units do have a one-stall garage space. This is a look at the back of the unit. Again, it's very private with the emerald arborvitaes and the flowering crabtree. You've got the air conditioner unit here on the back. I just love this private entrance as you come into the unit. Let's go back in and take a look at the bedroom and the bathroom in this home. Okay. Okay, we've got an updated one bath. It's got a full bathtub. I love the treatment on the wall, the curved rod, updated mirror, vanity. Again, you've got a full bathtub. Again, they've got that cute sliding barn door to close the space, updated toilet. Right outside here, you've got some additional storage space for your bathroom. As we transition into the primary, we've got a double closet, plenty of space in there. And as we walk into the primary bedroom, you're gonna see just how spacious it is. It's a very good sized bedroom. King bed, no problem at all. Side tables, couple of dressers, plenty of space in this room. All of the windows have been updated in the unit. So again, let's go ahead and transition up to the back into the main space. Again, this is a just over 1,000 square foot, one bedroom, one bath home It is attached in a fourplex. It's an end unit, all updated windows and other upgrades done to the property. This is listed for $185,000. So just a glimpse of what $185,000 will buy you down as you get close to the center of Sioux Falls. If this video helped you, or if this is something that you'd like to take a look at yourself, give me a call. You can like and subscribe my channel, and each time a new tour is put out, you'll get that notification. So thanks for watching and have a great day.